Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Disney Plus to your EETV box in 2026. So once installed, you can watch the movies, the series and exclusive shows directly on your TV. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to turn on your EETV box and then you need to simply go to the home screen of it. Over here, you just have to look for the option of apps. So after clicking on the option of apps, you just have to simply go to the App Store, or if you have Google Play Store, you just have to go there. Now in the search bar, you just have to simply search for Disney Plus. When you are able to find the Disney Plus application, simply just click on it. After clicking on it, simply click on the option of install and then wait for some time until the app is installing. Once the installation is completed, simply click on the option of open button and sign in here with the help of your Disney Plus email and password. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly from the application or on your phone. After signing in, your Disney Plus will load and you can start streaming immediately. So if you don't see Disney Plus in the search results, you can also restart your EETV box and try again the same steps. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.